The other 30 brass. Over here I have this is a 44 Magnum. If you play Call of Duty at all, you may know about the 44 Magnum. And this is a 44 Magnum right here. Shell. It's really big kick. That and the 45 Colt. A lot of people think, like, if you play Call of Duty or whatever, you think that it's like real easy to shoot, but it really isn't. It has a lot of kick. And here's the 45 Colt. It's about the same size. Like, you know, the 45 Colt, like the Western gun from like different movies and stuff. This is a 45 Colt. It has a lot of kick as well, because the 44 Magnum and the 45 Colt are not gas powered. So when the bullet is in the chamber, it has more of a kick than if it's gas powered. Where say M1911, you probably know what that is. That's the 45 caliber handgun. And what happens is whenever you pull the trigger, there's a mechanism inside the gun that uses gases and the pressure from the bullet being shot, and it creates and it makes the lever on the very top of the gun go backwards and eject the shell. But if it's say a revolver, then it stays in there and there's no gas used to eject the shell, so it has more of a kick. Alright, sorry for boring you about all that. Well, anyway, here's a 22. That is a very small round. They're kind of fun to shoot, and here's this one's cut in half. This is one of the bullets, and here's a 45 bullet. I forgot to tell you that I found that was already shot. You can tell it was shot because of the grooves on the bullet from when the bullet went out of a gun barrel. And over here, I'm not quite sure what these are. I believe it goes to some sort of machine gun. If anyone can tell me, that'd be great, because I'm not quite sure. I have a bunch of them. Here's some. There's different types of them too. I have, like, here's I believe this is copper or some sort of metal. See, you can see the difference. I believe it is like some German machine gun. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, there's those. There's let me see. I have, if you ever play Call of Duty, like Modern Warfare, you could, I think it's P50 or whatever. I'm not quite sure. I haven't played Modern Warfare in a while. But this is actually how big they are. The shells, that's how big they are. It is, you can't see that, but it is a 67 times 26, wait. I can't even see the head stamp. I forget what type it is. Hold on. Yeah, it's a 67 times 26 caliber shell. Very, very small. See, I'll put it right there to show you how small it is. That's how big they are. And again, here's some more nickel M16 shells. Okay, and moving on. And here are some AK-47 shells. Right there. There are all different types of AK-47 shells. Like this, I don't know what type of metal this is, but there's that. There's brass, and I believe this is some sort of copper of some kind. But this is AK-47 is a 7.62 times 39 casing. That's pretty nice. It's a pretty powerful round. But alright, and over here is a 357 Magnum round. There. You can see that. Hold on. See, it's pretty big too. It's not as big as the 44 Magnum though. And let me try to find a 38. My stuff's scattered all over the place. Here's the better version of the 7mm, cause that's not as tarnished. But anyway, here's a 22 bullet. Here's